Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm gonna be making yellow veggie rice from scratch. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right into it, okay? So I have my oil. It already was put to hot, and right here I'm gonna go in with some minced garlic and some minced ginger. Yes, y'all, ginger give a nice booster in your flavors, so I always try to go in with some fresh grated ginger. Now I'm gonna add some chopped onions, scallion, and bell peppers, and I'm gonna give that a nice little stir in the pot, guys, and make sure you get that beautiful aroma that we are looking for to go in our rice. Okay, now into my bowl right here, guys, which my pot is seasoned. I have 2 tablespoons Bolivian curry powder, turmeric, Italian herb, and I also have some pumpkin soup mix, and I did sieve the pumpkin soup mix, okay guys, and get the noodle out. Now first thing that I'm gonna go in with is my curry powder. We all know that curry powder is always best when you burn it, okay guys. So we're gonna burn our curry powder first, give that a stir for about a minute or so, and then right after that I'm gonna go in, guys, okay, right after this one I'm gonna go in with the other seasonings. I'm just gonna give that a nicely stir together, make sure that our seasons are mixed together lovely, guys. Okay, remember, I know we want our season, or we want our flavors to taste nice and everything to just be right. All right, once our season looking nice together, we are going in with our rice. So each time I put a cup or so, I give it a stir. I already washed my rice also, so every time I put some rice in the pot, I give it a stir because we want our color to spread throughout. Okay, and guys, I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of Maggi because we're looking for that beautiful flavor. And if your rice is not that much yellow, guys, go ahead and put more turmeric or put more curry powder, okay, because we want some nice looking yellow rice. Okay guys, see how that looking? Look at that. In with some thyme and green peppers. Now you do not have to do that, okay, but we love our stuff. And I'm gonna go in with my mixed veggies. Still give that a nice little stir. But I would recommend veggie stock. Veggie stock, guys, okay? Or you can go in with your normal regular water with some butter on top. So we're gonna add some more water to the pot. We do not want soggy rice, guys. I'm gonna go in with some butter. All right, and guys, after my butter, I'm gonna go in with Goya as my, salt taste to bring up that salt flavor. Not salty now, but food with taste. Okay, give that a little stir gently, guys, and we're gonna lock the pot, close the pot. All right, seal tight, and there we go. Now right here, y'all, we're gonna look at our rice. Ooh, excuse that smoke. Now look at our rice, guys. The water is now dried out, so now we are going to fluff our rice. We all know that once our rice is not fully cooked as yet, we give that a nice little fluff, from bottom to top, and spread it throughout. And then right after this, we're going to close it back and make the rice fully cooked. Okay, don't go nowhere in the guys, gonna stay right there. Okay, we're gonna see the end result. Now look at that beautiful bright yellow color that we are looking for, guys. Don't forget, this is yellow veggie rice from my kitchen, straight by your table. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you try this. From my kitchen straight on your table.